In today's video, I'll show you how to face swap in Gemini. To get started, open Gemini. For this example, I'm going to use two images. The first image will be the face I want to use, and the second image will be the body where I want that face to be placed. First, upload the image that contains the face you want to swap. Simply drag and drop it into Gemini. This will be image 1, and it's very important that you upload this image first. Next, upload the image of the target body. This will be image 2. The order of these images matters a lot because Gemini uses the upload sequence to understand your prompt. Once both images are uploaded in the correct order, copy the prompt provided in the video description and paste it into Gemini. After pasting the prompt, click on Tools, then select Create Images, and make sure you're using the thinking version. Now, send the prompt. Gemini will recognize the first image as the source face and the second image as the target body. The prompt tells Gemini to insert the face from image 1 into the body shown in image 2. If you upload the images in the wrong order, the AI may get confused about which image contains the face and which one contains the body, so always double-check the sequence before submitting. Once the image is generated, you'll see the final result. In this case, the face from the first image has been placed onto the body from the second image. The transition looks smooth and fairly natural. While it may not be absolutely perfect, it's impressively seamless and much faster than doing the same task manually in software like Photoshop. As an extra tip, you can improve the accuracy by adding brief descriptions to your prompt. For example, mentioning details like ethnicity, hair color, or general appearance can help Gemini better distinguish between the people in the images and produce more consistent results. And that's it. That's how you can easily swap faces using Gemini Nano Banana. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.